Hello everyone, welcome to Royal Online Tutorials, the online educational channel. Today in our video we are going to discuss the benefits of job sharing. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe my channel. What do we mean by job sharing? It's a special kind of part-time employment agreement where two or more part-time employees perform a single full-time job. Here the employees may perform all the job duties or share the responsibility for particular tasks. So job sharing represents a compromise between employees' needs or desires not to work full-time and the employer's needs to staff jobs on a full-time basis. So in this case, both employers and employees benefit from the use of job sharing. So as we can see, the benefits is divided into two sections, the benefits to employers and the benefits to employees. Starting with the first one, when we say the benefits to employers, we will be talking about the maintenance of productivity because of the higher morale and the maintenance of employees' skills, the retention of skilled workers, the reduction or the elimination of the training costs that may result from retraining laid off employees. We also have the greater flexibility in deploying the workers in order to keep the operations going, the minimization of the post-recession costs of hiring and training new workers to replace those who found other jobs during the layoff period. And finally, strengthening the employees' loyalty to the company. If we need to move to the benefits to employees, we can start with the continued employee benefits protection. We do have also like the continued employment when the likelihood of unemployment is high. We have the maintenance of family income, and finally we have the continued participation in qualified retirement programs. Thank you for watching my channel.